Hello everyone, here's Mel Janka with Jana 3, the place where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today, I'm starting this new challenge called 21 Days to Learn How to Include Exercise in Our Daily Lives. This class is going to be a short 15 to 20 minutes combination of 3 formats, and we'll be doing a warm-up with a little bit of dancing. We're going to be doing strength and different muscles every day, and we're going to be doing stretching and mobility. So without further ado, let's get ready. So for your warm-up, all you need is your body. The music is about to begin. We have a combination of steps. And if you feel that you just want to move, just move. Do whatever you want. Go ahead and do it. It's not about really the choreography. It's more about what we can do to move. All right? So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it in the center. Yeah? We call this grapevine. Grapevine. Yes, and then hold it in the center. Good. Now put a little bit more energy. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, and center. Yes. Now hold it right here. Shoulder. Good. Awesome. Now press it forward, forward, up, up, forward, forward, up, up. Coming forward and 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, give me knees. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna do that again. Yes. Bring it up, 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 up. Awesome. Again. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Single. Feel the music, yeah? Grapevine. We're just gonna warm up. We're gonna do that one more time. Let's go. Yes. Awesome. Now this time, take it really low to bend and warm up those legs. Yes? Shoulders and chest. Bring it up. Good. Awesome. Finish. Go forward. Ta, 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 ta. Yes, knee. Good. Do it again. Ta. Love it. One more time. Go. Pa, 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 Last one. Okay, listen. Hold it right in the center. Center. Bend those knees a little bit deeper. Yeah. Now bring it up. Yeah? Progressing that step. Ready? Going forward one more time. A little bit bigger, jump. Yeah, knees high. Hands up. One more time. Yeah. Do it again, do it again. Cha, 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 hey. Awesome. One last time, everybody. Good. Breathe. Nice job. So we have 1 minute to get ready for the strength song. For this one, we're going to do level number 1, body weight. Level number 2, 1 small plate. Level number 3, 2 plates or a large plate. So let me show you. Level number 1, level number 2. So we're going to be doing squats in this one. So let me show you quickly the squat technique. Sometimes we see people doing this, going forward with the upper body. No. So what we do is we push the hip back, the chest comes naturally forward, push the hip back, and then once we cannot push it back anymore, all we do is bend the knees. Bend the knees, push the hip forward. We try to not push it forward like this. Keep it neutral. So again, push the hip back, and then bend the knees. That happens really fast, so you don't even notice when that happens. one song only, but I promise you, you're gonna feel it, all right? Play right in the center, tailbone, in. Okay, here we go. Slow, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What I mean by tailbone in, I said it before. We don't wanna do this. Yet? No. Pull the tailbone in. Okay, here we go. 3 and 1, tempo, go. Down, 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 and up. How low can you go? It depends on the weight you have, okay? Yeah, 4 more. 2 more times. No, actually 4 more. Okay, guys. Learning the music. Okay, here we go. Tempo change. 2 and 2. Go down, down, up, up. 1, 2, 2, 1. Good. Ready? Pulses at the bottom. 3, 2, 1, and up. Do it again. 3, 2, 1, and up. You're gonna feel how your legs start getting pressure. Yes. Oh, I did 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, super, super slow. Let's go. Down. Now, keep the elbows pointing to the ground. Keep the chest up. Chest up. Yeah. Tailbone in. Good. Second wave. 3 and 1. Awesome. You're already feeling it? If you're not feeling it, all you need to do is change the weight. Go a little bit heavier. Yep. Keep it moving. Nice job, guys. We're gonna go straight to the pulses this time. If you can try 4, try with me. It's a slow pulse. Yep. Go again. 3. Actually 4. It depends how you feel. If 4 are too many, you can do 3, like this. Give it a little bit of extra break. Okay. Good, good. Down and hold, look at me. Come up slow. Again, down, hold. Slow up. 2 more. Woo! 1 more. You feeling it? Pulses. Either 3 or 4. 1 more. I know. Okay, brace your core. Super, super slow. I'm already sweating. I hope you are too. I'm pretty sure you are too. Awesome job. 2 more. Oh, these slow ones are hard. 1 more. Breathe. All right, everybody. Pulse. Bring it up. Last one. 4, 3, 2, and 1. That was your strength one. You already know, right? You can feel it. So we're gonna stretch it just quickly because the next song is actually for mobility and stretching. So you can put your plates away. The mats portion of the class. One more time. This might not be enough for the day, but it's the beginning. And you have to start somewhere, okay? Some people really can't go and take a full 60-minute class. If they don't feel confident, they're gonna succeed. So this is a way for you to try it, see which one you like, or maybe you end up liking the 3 of them. Perfect, even better. Because that's the balance that we need on our body. We need cardio, we need strength, and we need mobility and flexibility. So here we go. I love that song. I hope you do too. Put your feet together. You can actually take your shoes off. Yeah. Let's go. Put your feet together. Press those feet against the floor and squeeze the rear. Hands up. Relax your shoulders. We just start bending or bringing the chest down. Relaxing here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Head relaxed. Awesome. So here we go. Rolling super slowly up. 1, 2, 3. Lengthen. And 4, 3, 2. One more time. Roll up. And one more time down. Good. Awesome job. We're gonna now switch the direction and get our bodies onto downward dog. This is a very typical position. And if you press strongly through the hands, you might be able to hear your spine cracking, which is good. The heels on the floor is gonna help you stretch the back of your legs. So let it set in there for a little bit. Breathe in, breathe out. A very popular inversion, which means bringing the blood to the head. Now bend your knees, bring one of your feet forward. And then you can stay here for a little bit to stretch your hip flexor and the hamstring a little bit, okay? Hold it right there. You can place the hand on the floor fully and try to open your chest as you elongate your upper arm. And look up. Push strongly through your extremities. Release. Inhale, press back. Exhale. Change the leg. Awesome, you got it. So, right here, we hold a little bit to feel the stretch, both in the hip flexor and the hamstring, okay? Make sure your knee is under the ankle. If you feel you're doing this, all you need to do is just kind of slide that back leg just a little bit more, right? So you have a 90-90 here. Get ready for the twist, hand to the floor. Let's use the music just because it's so beautiful. Ready? Inhale, open. Nice. If you feel you need support, drop the back knee. That's gonna increase the stretch in the hip flexor though. Release. Push strongly through the front foot. Relax your head down one more time and roll up super slowly. Inhale, reach up. Great job. Now, listen to this. Drop the hip, chest up. We're gonna try twisting back arm to front knee and open here. Oh, it's gonna take a little bit of effort, but you want to squeeze shoulder blades, open chest and stretch the front of your body. Come back to the extend the mountain and then come down to the intense pose. And twist to the other side. Good, I'm gonna give you a front view in a little bit. Open, come back up, release hands, clasp them, push, open chest, feel the opening, squeeze your rear, lean back, come back. All right. Thank you. We did it. We did it. So remember, just little by little, you might be able to understand how exercise works, and so that you can practice it at home and continue to build your health one day at a time. Love you all. See you in the next one.